Imagine you're sitting at your computer, your mind buzzing with ideas for your next YouTube video. The screen glows before you, but the words just aren't flowing. Sound familiar? Have you ever wondered if there's a way to write scripts for your YouTube videos more quickly, without sacrificing quality? What if I told you that AI could simplify the process, saving you time while elevating your content? Today, we'll explore how to use artificial intelligence to craft compelling YouTube scripts in just 5 easy steps, transforming your content creation process. Excited? So am I. Let's embark on this technological adventure together. If you're a new YouTuber in need of help with scripts, my personal recommendation is to hire a human to assist with writing your video scripts, provided you have the funds to do so. AI can still be a bit repetitive and requires constant fact-checking. However, if that's not feasible for you, these script tools are still a solid starting point. They're the ones I use frequently on this channel. Remember, AI can be an amazing ally in your creative process, but let's not forget the artist behind the masterpiece. As you embark on this journey, allow AI to support you rather than replace you. Blend the efficiency of technology with the irreplaceable creativity that only you possess. Imagine you're building a house, but without a blueprint. Difficult, right? Similarly, creating a YouTube script without an outline is like navigating through a maze blindfolded. This is where AI enters, like a wise guide helping you carve a path. The first step in creating engaging video content is to start with an outline. Creating an AI-assisted outline can be a helpful tool for organizing your thoughts and ideas. It allows you to break down complex concepts into smaller, more manageable pieces, which can make the writing process less daunting. To build a solid foundation for your video, you can take advantage of AI tools such as ChatGPT, Google Bard, or Perplexity.ai. These tools can help you quickly research and gather relevant information from various sources on the web, allowing you to focus on structuring your video content in a clear and concise way. To start, you can choose a topic and begin brainstorming ideas related to that topic. One place to start is just typing, "Give me 10 YouTube video ideas from the following topic." Once you have a list of ideas, you can use an AI-assisted tool to help you arrange them into an outline. This tool can suggest different headings or sections and can even help you reorder your ideas to make them flow better. One benefit of using an AI-assisted outline is that it can help you identify any gaps in your argument or thought process. By breaking down your ideas into smaller pieces, you can more easily see where there might be missing information or where your argument needs further development. As you interact with these AI tools, watch your ideas transform into a clear and robust outline, ready for the next phase of creation. It's like having a collaborative brainstorming session with a room full of experts, all in the comfort of your home office. With a solid outline in hand, it's time to dive into the world of storytelling. Think of your script as a rich novel, filled with intrigue, insights, and information. This step is where your outline blossoms into a full-fledged script. AI tools can be incredibly helpful in this process, as they can breathe life into your outline by elaborating on each point in a compelling storytelling manner. This will help you to create engaging content that will keep your audience interested and informed. Using AI tools, you can add layers to your narrative, giving depth to your content. You can explore multiple perspectives, create connections, and weave facts into a compelling tapestry that informs and entertains. Imagine AI as a seasoned storyteller, sitting by a campfire, narrating the tale that you've outlined, filling in the colors and details that make it come alive. Now you have a lush garden of words, but every garden needs pruning. Here's where AI tools like ChatGPT and Grammarly come in, acting as meticulous gardeners, ensuring every word, phrase, and sentence is in its prime place. To ensure readability and relevance, it's essential to review and refine your script. Although AI can be a useful tool for writing YouTube scripts, it can sometimes be repetitive. It's easy to rely on its suggestions, but being too repetitive can cause viewers to lose interest. AI tools such as ChatGPT and Grammarly can improve wording and grammar, resulting in a polished and high-quality script. To ensure the originality of your content, it's also helpful to use a plagiarism checker like Copyscape. This tool can identify instances of duplicate content and help you make necessary revisions to create a completely unique piece of writing. By verifying the originality of your work, you can ensure that your audience receives authentic and valuable information that they won't find elsewhere. Additionally, protecting your intellectual property is crucial for establishing credibility and reputation as a writer or content creator. Therefore, always make sure to run your work through a reliable plagiarism checker before publishing online or submitting to a client. Imagine these tools as skilled craftsmen sculpting a masterpiece, refining every edge, enhancing every curve. They not only help polish the language, but also identify areas where your script could sing a little louder, captivate a bit more, and resonate more deeply. Remember the opening scene of your favorite movie, how it captured your attention, making you yearn for more? That's what your hook should do. Since many viewers leave videos within the first 30 seconds, your hook is critical. AI can lay the groundwork, but your intuition, creativity, and understanding of your audience will turn that hook into a captivating lure. Think of it as the spark, the curiosity, the question that propels your audience into the heart of your video. To create a hook, you can ask an intriguing question, make a bold statement, or start with a story. You can also use AI to summarize your script in a storytelling manner that hooks viewers into wanting to hear the full video in just a few sentences. However, you should still review and refine it to ensure it is as good as possible. Crafting a hook is like composing a symphony's opening notes, setting the tone for what's to come. So strike the chords that resonate with your viewers and draw them into the unique symphony that is your video. The journey is almost over, but like any great story, it deserves a fitting end. The transition and conclusion are the elegant bows that wrap up your content, leaving your audience satisfied yet craving more. To effectively wrap up your YouTube videos, it's important to write smooth transitions and compelling conclusions that keep your audience engaged and encourage them to explore more of your content. Imagine your conclusion as a trusted guide, summarizing the adventure, emphasizing the treasure discovered, and then pointing towards unexplored horizons. It's not merely an end, but an invitation to another beginning, a gentle nudge towards more exciting content that awaits. Mastering this skill is crucial. Use the transition method to end your videos and encourage viewers to watch another one. We have a whole video dedicated to breaking down exactly how to do this. Simply click on the screen to watch it and learn how to craft effective transitions and conclusions that keep your audience engaged until the very end, ultimately leading to more views on YouTube. Remember, in this digital age, harnessing the power of AI can help you create content that is engaging, informative, and impactful. Until next time, happy scripting.